Okay, as you all know that today's session is about what? Vocabulary, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will all discuss the new word or the known word of which type? Family type. Like today vocabulary is about family. So we are going to learn all the word, a new word also related to the family. So let me ask one after another. You have to tell me a word, right? Then I will move to another person which is related to the word vocabulary for family. Okay. Let me begin with Julie Rani Das. Tell me a word related to family.
Sir, parents.
Parents. Okay, very good. Kranti.
Daughter.
What is that?
Daughter.
Daughter. Yes. Next.
Hello.
Yes. What is your word?
Sibling.
Okay. Tell me a word related to family.
Sir, sibling.
Sibling. Yes, sibling. Smita Sahu, madam.
Sir, grandfather.
Okay. Grandfather. Very fine. Anushri Mahanti.
Yes, sir.
What is your word, Anushri?
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. Yes. Next. Sunita Sahu.
Sir, childhood.
Childhood. Yes. Next. Joshrani Das.
Sir, childhood.
Yes, I understood. You are saying childhood, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Your word is childhood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I
Yes,
got
sir.
the word. Next. Josna Rani, what is your word?
Sir, son.
Son. Okay. Very fine. Next. Jyoti Sagar.
Twins.
Twins. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Rajastri Barik.
Yes, sir. Sir, nephew.
Nephew. Yes. Next. Sanjukta madam, gote family related gote word kahantu. संयुक्ता मैडम ऑडियो ऑन करंतु आपनकर ऑडियो ऑन नहीं वीडियो ऑन अछि ऑडियो ऑन करंतु संयुक्ता मैडम ऑडियो ऑन करंतु ना ऑडियो ऑडियो ऑफ हिची हां एबे कहले देखिबा
Children.
ओके वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन नेक्स्ट another participant Kumar Malik tell me a word
Father.
father very fine Tulsi Raut Roy
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Parents.
No, parents is already there. No, somebody already given the word. Parents किसी ने बोल चुका है ना?
Sir, sister-in-law.
हाँ, yes, we can say sister-in-law. Fine. Next, Roji Swine, tell me a word.
So family related.
Yes, family related one word.
Son, niece.
Niche. Okay. Now everybody, now I am going to ask two word. Right? Let's begin with Kranti. Tell me two words related to family.
Grandfather, grandmother.
Okay, very fine. Next, Pushpa Priyadarshini.
Sir, spouse. Bright.
Okay. Pouch and bride. Okay, very fine. Julie Rani Das.
Sir, great father, great mother.
Okay, okay. Great or grand?
No, sir, great father or great mother.
Okay, okay. Next, Anushree.
Sir, cousin and daughter.
Cousin and daughter. Yes. Rasmita Sahu.
Sir, husband and wife.
Okay, very beautiful. Roji Swain.
So brother-in-law and sister-in-law.
Okay. Sanjukta Madam.
Brother and sister.
Okay, brother and sister. Anushree already over. Next, Jyoti Sagar.
Mother, nephew,
And
nephew.
okay, mother and nephew. By the way, nephew is repeated up to now. Okay. Next, Rajashree.
Uh,
Rajashree, it's your turn.
Sir, godfather, godmother.
Okay, godfather, godmother. Okay, next, Subrat Kumar Malik.
uncle and auntie.
Uncle and auntie. Beautiful. Okay. Now let me change the game rule. Let me make it more easier. Now this time you are going to speak three words related to family vocabulary. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's begins with Josna Rani Das.
Sir, step brother, step sister, and father-in-law.
Okay. Very good. Kranti Kumari.
So, male, female,
Mm-hmm.
brother-in-law.
Okay. Please don't repeat the word. Brother-in-law already spoken, no? Please take care next time. Everybody, you have to speak new words, not the word that already people spoken, okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, Pushpa Priyadarshini.
The grandchild, granddaughter, and engagement.
Okay, Rasmita Sahu.
Sir, step mother, stepfather, partner.
Okay, Roji Swan.
Mother-in-law, grandson, and father-in-law.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Brother-in-law, sir, brother-in-law.
Bro- okay, next, Anushree.
Sir, Nonna, Nanny, and sister.
No. What is that non?
Sir,
You have to
Nonna
find the
haboniki.
English word, no? No, in English there is none like that.
Yes, sir. Sir, great grandparent
Mm-hmm.
and sibling
Sibling
and
word is already there.
great granddaughter, great uncle.
Okay, fine. Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir. Relative.
Your voice is breaking, Sunita. Please come into a network zone. Sunita, your voice is dancing. No, let me mute her. Okay, I muted her. Sunita Sahu. Sunita, please reconnect. Sunita, do one thing. Leave the meeting and rejoin. Okay, let me go forward. Next participant, Sanjukta. Sanjukta madam, tell me three words. Sunita, your network is breaking now, so you can leave and you can join it once again.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Next, Sanjukta madam, are you there? Please respond. Okay, let me begin with Subrat. Subrat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I request everybody to turn on your audio. Don't stop it. If you are doing stop and on again, then there is a problem. So let it be. Just switch on the audio. No problem. Everybody, turn on your audio. No problem. You are going to speak simultaneously. No problem. Okay, Subrat, your word.
Babies, guardians, and couple.
Okay, very good. Jyoti Sagar.
Relationship, kids, relationship,
Okay.
kids,
Relationship, kids. One more. One more word, Jyoti Sagar.
nephew,
Nephew. Okay. Next, Rasmita Sahu.
Sir, nuclear family, single
Yes,
parents
very good.
family,
Nuclear family. Mm-hmm.
single parent family,
Okay.
और extended family.
Okay. Next, Kranti Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Kranti.
The three words.
Yes.
The friend, mummy, papa.
Okay. Puspa Priyadarshini.
The groom,
Mm-hmm.
brotherhood, and
Okay.
divorce.
Yeah. Very good. Next, Tulsi Raut Roy.
Siblings-in-law,
Mm-hmm.
spouses, and male child,
Mm-hmm.
yes, sir.
Yes. Next, Sanjukta madam. Hey, Sanjukta madam, are you able to hear me? Sanjukta madam, are you there? Okay, let me move to another participant, Anushri Mahan.
Yes, sir.
What are
Hello.
the three words? Yes, yes.
Sir, adoptive mother and surrogate mother
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
wedding.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very fine. Next, Rajashree Barik. Three words.
Yes, sir. Sir, child widow,
Mm-hmm.
co-wife, and
Okay.
benedict.
Okay. Next, Sunita, you are comfortable now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the three words.
Sir, faithful, blood relative, and brotherhood.
Okay. Jyoti Sagar Jena.
yes, sir. Step family,
Tell me three words.
step family, cross, love,
Okay. Fine. Next, Ruchi Swai.
Yes, sir. Sir, no words. I have no words.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Listen to other, then we'll learn some group of word also. Subrat Kumar.
Responsibility. And
Okay.
joint family. And
Yes.
caring.
Caring. Okay. Tulsi Raut Roy.
Yes. Sir,
Tell me new word.
family structure.
Mm-hmm.
Then single parent. Sir, jai chhi. Sir, single parent.
Mm-hmm.
Larger family.
Okay. Okay.
Married
Let
and
me come
unmarried.
to Sanjukta madam. Yes. Next, Sanjukta madam. Audio on करूँ अपन तीनटा word कहूँ family related. संयुक्ता मैडम सुनी पारुचंती ना नहीं No, she left. She's having some problem. Okay, let me come to Anushree.
Hello.
Yeah. Anushree, again, 3 new word.
So stepchild and sisterhood and
Sir, I
stepmother.
am.
Yeah, who is there?
Sir, ମୁଁ ଝୁନୁ total କହିନି.
Okay, Junu. Now you speak 3 word.
Sir, infant, adulthood, ଆଉ adolescent.
Okay, very good. Kranti.
Yes, sir. So, gentleman, youth, elder.
Okay. Okay. Pushpa Priyadarshini.
Sir, eligible, finance,
Okay.
and devoted.
Okay. Rajeshri.
Sir, maid.
Yeah,
Bach-
Rajeshri Barik.
Sir, maid.
Okay, Matt.
Bachelor
Okay.
and bigamist.
Okay. Rashmita Sahu.
Sir, marriage,
Okay.
extramarital affairs,
Mm-hmm.
belover.
Okay. Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, loyalty and
Okay.
family tree and heritage.
Okay. संयुक्ता मैडम सुनी पारुछंती कि ऑडियो ऑन करंतु संयुक्ता मैडम ऑडियो ऑफ अछि आपनकर ऑन करंतु Okay. Next, everybody. Next participant, Tulsi Rautrai. Again, 3 word.
Sir, socialization of children, value and behavior,
Okay.
production.
Next, Jyoti Sagar.
But family members life.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Sir.
What are the word? One more word is there.
Birth. Birth. Life. Family members.
Okay. Acha. Everyone, let's
Elders.
do one thing. Let's do one thing. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Jyoti Sagar. Now, everybody, is it audible to you? Please switch on your audio, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, let's see the word. Let's see the word alphabetically. अगर हम लोग लेटर ए लेते हैं, ए लेटर में क्या क्या फैमिली रिलेटेड वर्ड आ सकता है बोलो?
Uncle,
Aunt.
Aunt,
Adulthood, adolescent,
auntie,
Adolescent, okay.
Adoptive mother.
adulthood,
adoption,
ओके एडॉप्टिव फादर कह सकते हैं, एडॉप्टिव मदर कह सकते हैं, आंट हो गया है, एडॉप्शन हो गया है, और क्या होगा?
Adult. Ancestor.
यस एग्जैक्टली एंसेस्टर, जो पूर्व पुरुष है हम लोगों का एंसेस्टर हो सकता है। और क्या वर्ड है क्या ए में?
Sir, adult.
हाँ यस वी कैन एडल्ट। ଆଉ କଣ ହେଇପାରିବ ଏରେ?
Affair.
Affair we can say, but affair is a correlated, not exactly related to family. So let's move to B later. अच्छा B रे कौन कौन word हवा everybody?
Baby.
blood,
baby,
brother,
brother-in-law,
Sir,
brother,
bachelor.
Benedict.
bachelor,
Sir,
Sir,
bride.
Benedict.
Yes.
bridegroom,
Bride.
blood relative,
Sir, Baron.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Baron.
So okay. तो हमको कौन कौन word मिला? Bachelor, birth mother, blood relative, bride, bridegroom, brother, brother-in-law, brotherhood कहिପାରିବା ना नहीं?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And one more, brotherly, brotherhood and brotherly.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to C alphabet. C रे कौन कौन हबो?
Children.
Sir, childhood,
Child.
Cousin.
cousin,
Okay.
connection,
Childhood.
Sir,
Sir,
concubine.
caretaker.
Yes, yes, caretaker we can say, or caregiver.
Yes, sir.
Sir, concubine.
Yes.
Cousin.
Cousin we can say. Okay, let's move to another letter, D.
Sir, daughter.
Daddy.
Okay.
daddy,
daughter-in-law,
daughter-in-law,
Daughter-in-law, yes.
Divorce.
Divorce.
divorce,
Yes, divorce.
and daddy,
Okay, daddy or dad.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, let's move to another letter, E.
Sir, engagement.
elder brother, elder sister,
Elder
Ex-wife,
brother, engagement,
ex-husband,
elder sister, elder brother.
extend
Next,
family, extend family,
extended family, yes.
Sir, ex-wife.
Can we say ex-wife and ex-husband?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can
Yes,
we
sir.
say eligible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Eligible.
And one more thing, like whenever they have the engagement, they have posted on Facebook. Let's say XYZ got engaged with YXZ or something like ABC XYZ. So engage से हो गया engagement. अच्छा आगे बढ़ते हैं। और एक होता है X होता है खाली,
Sir, estranged.
तो बोलते हैं ना हाँ, और एक है खाली X बोलते हैं, वो उसका X है. I don't know what is that X. X means someone close.
Someone close.
So like ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend.
Sir, who is past?
हाँ, that is past, but only बोलते हैं X है, वो उसका X है. EX, but pronounced as X only. Okay, let's move to another word, F. The another letter F.
Family.
family,
father,
father-in-law,
Sir, foster father, foster father, foster mother,
first
Yes,
cousin,
The female.
friend,
friend,
family,
faithful,
फ्रेंड बोल सकते हैं. Yes.
fraternal.
Can we say fiance? Fiance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fiance.
Fiance. Then faith.
First cousin,
Daddy. Yes. अच्छा चलो अब में बहुत हो गया, आगे बढ़ते हैं. जी में चले जाते हैं. जी पे बोलो.
grandpa,
grandfather, grandmother,
grandson,
Mother.
grandmother,
great grandparent,
godfather,
granny,
ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स.
The genealogy.
sir,
Oh,
groom,
genial. Just a
sir,
second.
groom,
One more participant joined. Just a second, everybody. Divika Mahanti, are you there? Divika Mahanti, are you able to hear me? Okay, we will continue, everybody.
yes, sir.
Okay, please switch on your audio. Divika Mahanti, is it audible to you?
Hello.
Yeah, Divika.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Okay, my
Yeah, sir.
audible to
Hello.
you,
Good
Divika.
evening.
Good evening, Divika. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes. I hear you. I hear you.
Yes.
Sure.
Right. What's your good name?
This is Devika Mahanti, sir. Yesterday I have registered. Okay, so this is my first demo class.
Yes. So today you joined quite late. I think we have started from 6:30.
Okay, sir.
Fine, no problem. Today's discussion, we are talking about vocabulary related to family. Okay. Fine, everyone. Now tell me the word. Now tell me the word with the letter G related to family. Everybody.
sir,
grandfather,
grandfather,
grandmother,
grandmother,
Great grandparent, great grandson,
sir, granny,
Okay,
groom,
grandpa,
grandchild,
grandparent,
God
grandson,
aunt.
grandchild
Groom.
also, yes.
sir, groom,
sir, grandpa,
Very
Grown up.
granny, yes, granny. Granny, Jejuma को granny है, दादी
sir,
के gram,
grandson,
yes. Okay, very good. G में बहुत मिल गया. Let's move to the another letter H. Family related word बोलिए सब लोग.
sir, home,
Household, husband,
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 History.
helpmate,
Household.
it is,
half brother, half sister.
sir, hair,
Sister.
Very funny, no? Half brother, half sister.
Sir, half brother काहे को कहजिबो?
Half brother, let me see. Half brother
one
means
parent.
it's like correlated. Means not an own brother. तो वो बोलते हैं ना वो मेरा भाई जैसा होगा. Not exactly. For example, a brother with whom one has only one parent in common. एक parent अगर common होगा तो उसको half brother बोलेंगे. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा चलो एज का हो गया हम लोगों का. आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट. हम लोगों को आई पे कुछ मिलेगा क्या? आई लेटर में फैमिली रिलेटेड
Inborn,
Sir,
inborn,
in-law,
In-laws.
infant,
इन-लॉ होगा.
inheritance,
अच्छा इन्फेंट कह सकते हैं.
inborn,
Okay.
identical twin,
Okay, one more word you are missing, everybody. Inheritance.
yes, sir,
yes, sir, inheritance,
inheritance like grandparent, then their father, then their son, and then again the hierarchy होता है उसको inheritance कहते हैं. Like I am getting all the property of my parent because of the inheritance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inherit आता है. अच्छा ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लेटर जे.
सर जुबेनिल.
अच्छा जे में कोई वर्ड है क्या आप लोगों का? जुबनिल के साथ साथ जुबनिल कोड होता है ना.
Sir, juvenile means?
क्या वर्ड है? जुबिनाइल, राइट?
Sir, juvenile means?
जुबिनाइल का मतलब देखो, कोई अगर बच्चा कोई क्राइम करता है, वो 18 साल नहीं हुआ है, तो उसको कौन सा कोर्ट में रखा जाता है? जुबिनाइल कोर्ट में. इसका मतलब कि वो बड़ा नहीं हुआ है.
जॉइंट फैमिली,
अंडर एज है, टीन एज कहते हैं. जुबिनाइल उसको कह सकते हैं.
यस.
ओके नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट. अच्छा नेक्स्ट आ गया. चलो एम पे कुछ एम लेटर पे कुछ वर्ड बोलो एवरीबॉडी.
मदर, मैटरनल,
मिनर. सर मिस.
ओके.
Sir, care ଅଛି kid.
किड कही परिबा.
ये सर किड.
The maternal and grandfather.
L ରେ ଅଛି sir.
सर एल.
Love.
सर एम रे पचले.
एमरे मैरिज.
अच्छा मैं इसको आगे जल्दी एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ ताकि हम लोग वर्ड गेम चालू कर पाए.
सर
अच्छा everybody let's stop this here and let's play the word game of today's.
Yes, sir.
Speaker.
I hope that everybody know the word game rule.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा इसमें क्या होगा, मैं एक स्टूडेंट को एक वर्ड पूछूंगा फैमिली रिलेटेड. वो जो वर्ड बोलेगा या बोलेगी उसका लास्ट लेटर जो होगा वो लास्ट लेटर में नेक्स्ट किसी को बोलना है. राइट.
Yes.
तो लास्ट लेटर जिस पे एंड होगा उसके बोलना है. चलो पहला वर्ड ले लेते हैं फैमिली.
Sir, loyalty. Oh, family. Sorry, sir.
यंग,
सर यूथ.
Youth.
सर यंगस्टर.
Youngster.
ओके यूथ.
Youngster हो भी.
हाँ यस. तो हम लोग यूथ को कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. YOUTH. क्या आ गया फिर?
हस्बैंड,
Husband. Human rights.
सर होम.
ऐसे बोलने से नहीं होगा. देखो ऐसे बोलने से नहीं होगा. जो फास्ट बोल देगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी फाइनल. So that's why make sure you have to speak fast. Okay, let me take husband. So it's ended with D.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Okay, daddy. Again Y.
यंग,
सर यंग.
Young. Very good. Last letter G.
Grandmother.
Papa.
Okay, grandmother. Again R.
सर रिलेटिव.
Okay, relative. Again E, I think.
यस.
एल्डर,
Elder. R.
Sir, relation.
सर रिलेशन.
Related.
Okay, relation. N.
नेफ्यू,
नेफ्यू.
Nephew. Last में क्या W है?
यस सर. वाइफ,
वाइफ.
Wife. Okay. E again. E.
सर एल्डर.
एक्स,
Okay. Elder.
सर एल्डर सॉरी थिला.
हाँ चलो ठीक है, एक बार रिपीट कर लेते हैं. एल्डर R ले लेते हैं अभी.
रिलेटेड. रिलेशन.
रिलेशन हो गया है ना.
Related.
रिलेटेड थोड़ी ना फैमिली होगा. फैमिली रिलेटेड वोकैबुलरी है क्या रिलेटेड?
Sir, relative.
Relative we can say. Okay, E again.
Sir, extra affairs.
Extra affair. Okay, ending letter
Sir, R.
R.
R. Okay. Okay, now tell me everyone again letter R.
Relationship.
Why you are repeating the word again and again? We have
romance.
other word also.
Romance.
Yes, romance.
Romance.
No, is romance related to family? Yes.
Eligible.
Anyhow, let me consider.
Relationship.
Sir,
Okay, let's
children.
romance.
Relationship. Sir, relationship हो.
Okay, relationship. Okay.
Sir,
P again.
Sir, parent.
Parents.
Okay, parent.
Sir.
Again T.
sir,
Yes, who is this?
sir, Rajashree.
Yes, Rajashree, tell me.
Sir, I need to go.
Yeah, fine. Next, let's continue.
Sir, trust.
Sir, trust.
The last
Trust.
Twin.
T, no?
Sir, tribe.
The last letter was what? T.
T,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, team.
Okay,
Sir,
tell me the
triplet.
word.
The last
Twin.
S. Twins.
Okay, twin is going to consider. Again, N.
Sir,
Sir, stepmother.
N.
N, no? The letter is N.
Yes, sir.
Nuclear family.
Nuclear family. Again, Y. Everybody tell me a word with Y.
Youth.
Sir, younger sister.
Okay, we can say younger sister, R.
sir, room.
What is that? R?
Sir, room.
Room.
Room, sir.
Oh, what is the spelling? Roaming like going here and
Room,
there?
sir. Room.
Room, sir.
Room.
What is the spelling?
ROOM, sir. Room.
घर room.
Oh, okay, room you are saying. Okay, M.
Mother.
Mister.
Mommy.
Mr. R.
Sir, relationship.
No, it's over already. The word is already discussed. You have to say other word.
Can I take rest? Rest, sir.
Rest.
T.
Trust.
Okay. T.
Sir, trust.
Okay, trust. Yes, we can say. In family, we have trust with each other. So, again, T, I think.
Sir, twins. Brother.
Two brothers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, R.
Sir, rest.
Already.
Okay, you can say related. You can say related. Related is a word related to vocabulary family. Related. T, D. The last letter D now this time, everyone.
Daughter.
Sir, divorce.
Okay, divorce.
Sir,
Okay, last letter E.
eligible.
Ex-husband.
Eligible, let's say eligible. E again.
Engagement.
Sir, extended
Engagement.
family.
Extended family.
Okay. Extended family.
Y.
Again, why everybody?
Sir, youth.
Youth
A
is
younger.
younger. Like in, okay, related to family, in the letter Y, we are having very limited word, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
R.
In some of the word, there is a rare number of word is there, so we can repeat the one. In other word, in other letter, we have more word, right? Okay, let's take youth this time again. youth again H.
Household.
Household.
Okay, household. Okay, what is the last letter? E.
D.
D, sir.
D.
D.
Household. Yes. D.
The daughter-in-law.
Devoted.
Let's say devoted or what?
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law. Let's say W.
Wedding.
Wife.
Widow.
Widow again. Widow again W.
Wedding.
Wedding.
Wedding. Very good. Very good. I think G.
Grandson.
Grandson. N.
Nephew.
Nephew. W.
Woman.
Woman. Okay. Again N.
The niece.
Nice.
Neighbor.
Yes, neighbor is no one is saying. Very good word. Never, or you can say neighborhood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carry on, guys. Carry on.
Sir, R.
Sir, respect. Respect.
Okay, respect. Let's say.
Tribal.
Tribal.
Tribal family.
Sir, trustworthy.
You can say tribal family.
Sir, twins.
Next. A twin is repeated 1,000 times. Don't repeat this. Have some new word.
Sir, trustworthy.
Trustworthy. We can say trustworthy.
Again, Y.
Younger.
Youngster.
Younger. R. R.
Rural.
Okay, what is the last letter now?
R. R.
R again. Yes.
Rural. Rural.
Rural. Now we can say rural family, right?
Yes, sir.
Rural area or
Sir.
family?
Area.
It's preferable with area, not with family.
Yes, sir. A.
Okay, anyhow, let's listen a story of a family. Okay, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed a lot of words related to the family. Let's learn a story related to family. Okay, the family. Okay, the title is Evening Dinner with a Father. What is that?
Dinner with the father.
Dinner with a father. Okay, let me tell you the story. A son took his old father to a restaurant for an evening dinner. Father, being very old and weak while eating, dropped food on his shirt and trousers. Other dinners watched him in disgust while his son was calm. After he finished eating, his son was not at all embraced. Quietly took him to the washroom. He wiped the food particles, removed the stains, combed his hair, and fitted his spectacles firmly or gently. When they came out, the entire restaurant was watching them in dead silence, not able to grasp how someone could embrace themselves publicly like that. The son settled the bill and started walking out with his father. At that time, an old man amongst the dinners called out to the son and asked him, "Don't you think you have left something behind?" The son replied happily, "No, sir, I have not." The old man retorted, "Yes, you have. You left a lesson for every son and hope for every father." The restaurant was silent now. So guys, here what is the moral of the story? To care for those who once care for us is one of the highest honor. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because we all know how our parents care for us for every little thing. So that's why we don't have any other option. We have to love them, we have to respect them and care for them. Is it true or not, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we know that sometime we had a fight with family. Yes or no? Everybody had a fight with family. So when we feel angry, what happened? We are saying that we are about to leave the family, we are about to leave everything, I'm about to leave the home. After one day, what happened? You don't feel comfortable outside, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So family, we can say it's a simple blessing of God,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
because if family is there, then everything is there. I have seen people, those who don't have family, so now they are, what happened? They are very worried for a family. So family is going to help us not only mentally, physically, logically, in every way, right or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Because in family we know what is our requirement and the others also understand our needs, yes or no? Okay,
Yes,
sometime
sir.
we have some disappointment, sometime we have some argument, sometime we have some fighting, but at the end, what is the result? We love our family or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Because we don't have any other choice, yes or no? But now it is very painful that nowadays finding joint family is quite impossible, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
People want to live their life alone, lonely. Otherwise, it is going to be more charmful. What do you say, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Like 20 years back, when you visit your maternal uncle house, everybody have maternal uncle house?
Yes, sir.
So when you visit 20 years back, that time the feeling that you are you getting the same feeling today?
No,
No,
sir.
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Because what happened? Everything changed. I think everybody listens story from their grandmother.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Who is not listening?
Sir, ମୁଁ just like
You don't have grandmother or what?
yes, sir. ମୁଁ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲି ମୋ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡମା ମରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି।
So that's a misfortune. That is what? Unfortunately. Otherwise, what happened? Everyone have a story with their ancestor. Let's say the grandparents, like the grandmother and grandfather, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, anyhow, we have done some of the discussion today, and those who are not posting the regular audio, okay, let me tell you one thing. आप में से जो लोग ऑडियो स्पीच भेज रहे हो, काइंडली आपका वॉइस थोड़ा लाउडर बोलो, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों का ऑडियो जो स्पीच है बहुत, मतलब क्या होना चाहिए स्पीच आप लोगों का 2-3 मिनट का है ना, तो आपका थोड़ा एनर्जेटिक होना चाहिए। और आप लोग थोड़ा प्रेजेंटेशन पे भी सब लोग ध्यान दो थोड़ा, जो भी टॉपिक है देखो। So all the actually thing is that the topic is not important. If you are able to make the topic interesting, then it is going to work out. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Because if I am going to give you the topic of India, so you can make a charming speech, you can make a beautiful speech. So छोटा मोटा चीज को भी प्रेजेंटेशन जो किया जाता है उसमें थोड़ा हम लोगों को नया चीज एडेड करना पड़ेगा। तो नॉर्मली हम लोग कुछ पढ़ लेंगे या बोल देंगे तो नहीं होगा. You might have seen storytelling people. So when they are telling the story, what happen? Are you losing your concentration or you are listening to the story like anything? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sentence you can make like anything, no problem, because sentence has no feeling here. But when you are sending your voice, try to bring some feelings, bring some enjoyment, bring some energetic content into it. Think about it. Look, it is very important. Why some people like other English and some people don't like some other people English? Because of this way of presentation, right or not?
Yes.
I can guarantee to you, there are some people when they are going to talk, you can listen them entirely for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours without any dissatisfaction. Is that type of people are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let me tell you. When you see the movie Life of Pi, in the background there is a person telling the whole story in English. Right? So there must be up and down. You guys are now learning pitches. When to say high, when to say low. So try to maintain that. And you have to send it every day regularly. Don't try to miss it out. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine then everyone. We are about to stop the class today here. And I'm deciding to do some upgradation in the spoken English. So very soon we are going to have some new changes into the group. I will make it confirm that you must speak English fluently. For that, I'm finding some of the way which is going to disturb you a lot, but you have to participate in that. Is it clear? Okay, tell me, how many of you are going through your regular night story?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am.
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone is looking the night story.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what was the moral of the day yesterday?
Sir, don't judge people before truly knowing about.
Exactly. Don't judge people before truly knowing them, because everyone has a story. And sometime what? Truth might surprise you. Like what was the story? A boy was traveling with train with his father for the first time, and the other are feel very awkward when he's asking the train is moving, the tree is going backward or forward. But what? He recently got the eye, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay, go through all this thing. This will helpful to you. Every day one story you have to must come across.